Meaning of engineering.
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 Engineering. Engineering refers to the application of scientific and mathematical principles to design, develop, and maintain structures, machines, systems, and processes. It involves the use of creative problem-solving skills and critical thinking in order to develop practical solutions that improve the quality of life for individuals and society as a whole. The end result of engineering can be seen in everything from buildings and bridges to transportation systems and electronic devices. It is a broad field with many different specializations, but all share the common goal of using science and technology to make the world a better place.